everyone, this is Kaneki Arts and I do character designs and illustrations from the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. And if that's your kind of thing, consider being part of this channel. Together, we can grow and improve our artistic skills. Okay, in this video guys, I'm gonna be drawing Kaneki Ken or Haise Sasaki in Tokyo Ghoul. And the reason that I'm doing that is when I'm last day, I'm kind of remembering the days when I am so fan of Tokyo Ghoul, and I'm kind of giving gifts to my friends by drawing illustrations of Kaneki, Toka, and those characters. Okay, and I'm kind of fascinated on their reactions because yeah, they I don't know if they're being nice or kind to me, but yeah, they've said that they like it. The drawing is so cool and beautiful, but today when I'm looking those, I'm kind of really that's beautiful. Like that's kind of thing that playing in my mind. And to give you an insight on how my drawings look like on that year, maybe it's 2016 or 17. Okay, so this is one of my illustrations of Kaneki or Haise. Okay, so that's all, and now let's proceed to the illustration. Okay everyone, so here is our progress so far. So in this line work, the thinking behind this or the composition is, first I want you to take a look at her face, okay? And then after you take a look at her face, you will get right into her arm or hand, and by her sword it will guide you this way, okay, right into her kagone. And then to contrast that, I'm gonna be using a straight line, okay, for her gesture. Okay, so just typical standing character. Okay, so I'm gonna get back to you guys. I'm gonna shade this one and put some colors. Okay, welcome back everyone. So here is our progress so far. So now I'm gonna show you my reference on to the background. Okay, so this is the image that I'll be using for the background. Okay, so it looks like a destroyed buildings and landscape. Okay, so here is the result. Okay, so I just paste it in the background. So I'm gonna refine this thing and this is how it looks like. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some gradient maps and some color balance to it. Okay, I'll get back to you. Welcome back everyone. So here is our progress so far. So the importance of gradient maps for this illustration is it balances the saturation of your colors and its gradient to one another. And then when it comes to color balance, it sets up the mood for your illustration. So in this case, it is in the nighttime. So now I'm gonna showing you the effect of putting lights in your illustration. Okay, so this is my main light, and then this one is for my rim light or the backlight. Okay, so I'm gonna refine this piece and I'll get back to you for the final illustration. Back everyone, so now I'm done with the illustration and I'm so happy about the result of my illustration, and it kind of embodies the danger and the powerful essence or presence of Kaneki Ken. And if you have characters in your mind that you would like me to draw, whether it is female or male, let me know and I will be more happy to draw them for you. And if you have any questions regarding to my process in drawing this piece, comment down below and I'll make sure to answer them all to help you. Okay, so thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.